In the early hours of 1st January, a pickup truck drove into a crowd of revelers in New Orleans. At least 15 were killed and more than 30 were injured on the famous Bourbon Street. The New Orleans police say the attacker was hell-bent on creating the carnage and was trying to run over as many people as he could. Who was this man and what were his intentions? Here's what we know so far. The FBI has identified a 40-year-old man from Texas. His name is Shamsuddin Jabbar. After the attack, Jabbar allegedly exited his vehicle and fired at police officers, injuring two. He was ultimately killed in the gunfire. The FBI later found an Islamic State flag in the suspect's truck. Investigation is on for his possible affiliation with the terror group. In an evening address, the outgoing US President Joe Biden revealed that Jabbar was an Army veteran. Merely hours before the attack, the suspect posted videos on social media indicating his inspiration by the ISIS and his desire to kill. Possible improvised explosive devices were also found in Jabbar's truck and near the area of attack. According to a LinkedIn profile which has now been removed, Jabbar held various positions in the American Army. He worked as a human resource specialist and an IT specialist from 2007 to 2015. According to an army spokesperson, Jabbar was deployed in Afghanistan for almost a year between 2009 and 2010. He held the rank of Staff Sergeant at the end of his service and is believed to have been honorably discharged. Jabbar also worked in the Army Reserve till 2020. A YouTube video posted in 2020 has emerged in which a man matching Jabbar's profile was seen introducing himself as a real estate agent. According to various media reports, Jabbar was married twice. His first marriage ended back in 2012 and the second one lasted from 2017 to 2022. His divorce also earned him a restraining order from his second ex-wife. According to multiple officials, a series of videos have come up in which Jabbar reportedly discussed plans to kill his family but changed his mind later. The suspect's possible link with the ISIS are yet to be ascertained. So far, his criminal record shows traffic offenses and theft. The suspect appears to have rented the truck he used in the attack on the car rental website Turo. The same rental site has been linked to the Tesla Cybertruck explosion outside Trump's hotel in Las Vegas. The FBI believes Jabbar wasn't functioning alone and had helped in carrying out the attack. Arzu Tawar for NDTV.